Every sip of this 3-ingredient tea clears your lungs of mucus, toxins and inflammation. Almost every one of you has experienced some kind of respiratory problem at some point in life, either cold, allergic reaction, asthma, or just a runny nose. Yet, most people immediately reach for some medicines to treat these issues, and their disadvantage is that they are high in chemicals and might lead to severe adverse effects. On the other hand, there is a highly effective natural lung cleansing tea which is extremely useful in the case of respiratory issues. Cough syrups effectively treat the symptoms of cold, but they should always be taken in moderation, as otherwise, they can cause the following symptoms: troubles with breathing, vomiting, itching, rashes, swelling, dizziness, drowsiness, nausea. On the other hand, patients are often prescribed with corticosteroids in the case of chronic respiratory conditions like asthma or bronchitis. Yet, studies have shown that corticosteroids weaken the immune system and raise the risk of developing a fungal infection. Mullein is a common weed found all over the planet, with potent medicinal properties which have been used for centuries in the treatment of respiratory problems like chest colds, lung weakness, respiratory constriction. Despite its numerous other health benefits, mullein is high in saponins, which are organic compounds that act as natural expectorants. Therefore, mullein effectively eliminates excess mucus from the lungs and relieves congestion and other symptoms, and fights bacteria and viruses. Bacteria and viruses are the main culprits for the disease and they trap in the mucus. Moreover, mullein also has strong emollient properties, which soothe the throat and alleviate the pain due to coughing. Regarding all this, mullein is a perfect natural remedy for all respiratory conditions, even the chronic ones like asthma and bronchitis. This is how to use all the benefits of mullein in the form of a tea. The warm liquid will also loosen up the phlegm. Recipe: mullein tea ingredients: 2 teaspoons of mullein leaves, 1 1/2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of dried spearmint, optional, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, optional. Instructions: boil the water, and submerge the mullein leaves in the water with a tea ball or a strainer. You can add spearmint in a separate tea ball or strainer as well. Allow it to steep for 15 minutes, and add honey to taste. This natural tea will treat the cold and all other respiratory infections, and also alleviate their symptoms, like pain and congestion.